We're flying to Philadelphia!
Oh, hell no!
You're around with two baby Ninas, I feel like nice things. So they can't see me, I'm trapping, I'm selling this thing.
Racers don't have their seats.
Never come here again.
The only reason I like lowered bikes is that all you gotta do on them is just to stand up. That's the only thing I had to do on the lowered bike is stand up and maybe just pull a little, like push down on the force, and that's all I had to do. But this one I got, you know. Like I'm all the way up here though. Like with the old bike, I used to be all the way back, like back here by putting it. But your bike's just lower than mine, right? The stock bike. Yeah, yeah. Similar, right? Force you a little bit. No, your force is a little small, a little lower. My shit came off! Yo!
What the fuck was it? How'd it come off?
Oh no.
Fell out?
That thing? Luckily it landed right here.
Know. I had my shit on it. I was gonna put a safety tether on the inside.
Yeah, fuck with the bikes, man.
Alright, bro. Be safe, right?
What?
I said be safe.
Yeah, you
Now I'm still gonna stock it.
This shit's not stopped.
It's stopped.
Fuck
I just put buses on him.
You put buses on it?
Yeah.
No fucking way.
Nick, didn't I put a bus on you?
Yeah. Fucking lying. That's fucking liars.
It's stock, bro, I promise. Boy! You not cold?
Huh?
You not cold?
No, I'm cold.
It's cold, right? Oh, shit.
What the fuck? You heard?
Huh?
My mom is already saying get home.
I ain't gonna lie, it's cold as fuck. I might get home. Y'all go the same way. Y'all both live out in Newcastle, though.
Yeah.
Y'all both got the same way.
Yeah, I look at the fucking drive.
See how deep that shit is?
Are the bikes fast?
Yeah.
What kind of bikes are they, dude? They're nice.
That's a Honda, Suzuki, Kawasaki, Yamaha. You pretty much got every brand of bike here. Every brand.
Nice. I wanted a bike when I'm older. Are they expensive?
Not really.
What's the fastest you guys ever been on them? 40. I top out buck 40.
Yeah. You're pretty slow.
Yeah, my car's pretty slow.
You said what?
I still push my car.
Buck 40 my ass.
You said a buck 40? Buck 40.
His shit only top out. He only got 4 gears.
I was doing a buck 50 trying to catch him. Trying to fucking catch him.
Where's your seat?
Yeah, buck 40 my ass.
Not there. Trying to get level.
My ass was
Yo, Nick's the biggest troll I know.
Racers don't have no seats.
That's like the coolest one we've seen all day. What y'all feeling? The crib or what y'all gonna be out for longer?
I ain't hitting the crib too.
Whenever you hit the crib.
Bro, I'm waiting on you.
I'm waiting on you.
I gotta get home.
Jada said his mom already texted him earlier.
She said get home please. Bro, it's cause it's fucking windy and shit, bro. She's like a little ass baby.
He got homework to do. He got
Fuck out of here, bro. Y'all niggas keep trying to fucking me.
You got job?
Yeah.
Y'all can't see this John until he come out.
Yeah, I ain't see R18 in a minute. Is that an R1?
No, that ain't the R1. That's
That's
R7.
R7.
Hey, you like the fucking 7 though.
That's disrespectful.
That's disrespectful. My bad, Brody.
That's pretty good.
My bad, dog.
Bro,
They got a pocket, bro.
that shit sounds like an MT-07. That shit sound like a naked.
It's not like a dirt bike. Like a fucking one of those 4-wheelers.
There you go. Yeah. I shouldn't need to get spent that.
I need those. Damn, bro, it's so dirty.
I know.
Why didn't you tell me?
You should have knew. They're dirty. Where they at? GPS is coming to make it right the next light. I thought the nigga got us to work. I was about to say.
I can explain.
But the next light we turn right, I think. Got the move. The car pulling out the other way. I'll pull up to the right. Go right. No parking anytime, boy. Well, yeah.
What kind of bike do you have?
On the CBR.
Oh, CBR.
Yeah.
I just finally stopped riding a sport bike. No, I have a Bonneville, but I used to only do
So fluffy.
So
So fluffy. So fluffy. Good bikes.
SB650 is pretty good on the track.
Yeah, I thought about keeping it on a track bike, but I
I'm
didn't.
gonna give a review of these little cheese sticks, man. Geno's, or should we try another review? Perhaps and come back. Give you the review spot of both.
I think it looks better from the thing.
What do you think? What do you think will be better, Geno's or Pat's over there? We'll do part 2. We'll do part 2. We'll go to Pat's next video, and we'll do Geno's today. Rob couldn't record and showed it to him. Alright, what do you think of your cheesesteak? You know what I mean? Take one, cut. Alright, what do you think of your cheesesteak? She wasn't that good, dog. She was not that good. Look at this one.
Nah, that shit
was not that good. That shit was
That shit was mid. I would never come here again. I would come here again. I would never come here again.
I ain't gonna lie, I'm full as fuck. It's gonna be a nice little ride back. The best? I don't know about the best cheesesteak like they claim it says at the sign. Definitely has some better ones in Delaware, low key. Milan's is definitely top tier, bro. I think you're not. Can I get 8 on number 3, please?
8 on 3, I guess.
Yes. Is there a bathroom around here by any chance?
I usually tell people like get a fast food joint, Walmart, Target, next.
Gotcha. Alright, thank you. Y'all don't got any public bathroom around here? Nah. Damn. Hey, boss, y'all got a bathroom around here? No bathroom? I am. What, y'all piss on the floors around here?